Engine room personnel play a crucial role in the safe operation of a ship, acting as the vigilant guardians of its machinery. These dedicated professionals include wipers, oilers, motormen, and engine fitters, each with unique responsibilities that contribute to the overall efficiency and safety of the vessel. Wipers are often the entry point for many aspiring marine engineers. They maintain a clean engine room, which is essential for spotting leaks and anomalies. A tidy environment not only promotes safety, but also enhances operational readiness. Oilers, on the other hand, focus on lubrication, ensuring that all moving parts are well oiled to minimize friction and wear. They constantly monitor oil levels and system integrity, which is vital for the smooth operation of machinery. Motormen are experienced crew members who perform routine checks and log critical data from control panels. They are the first responders to alarms, working under the supervision of an engineer to ensure everything runs smoothly. Engine fitters are the hands-on specialists, skilled in maintenance and repair tasks. They tackle everything from welding to routine inspections, ensuring that all components are in top shape. Control panel monitoring is the heartbeat of ship operations. Engine room personnel track vital readings like temperature, pressure, and RPMs. Even minor fluctuations can signal potential issues. For instance, if the temperature rises too high, it can lead to catastrophic damage. Similarly, pressure drops in fuel lines can starve the engine, leading to loss of propulsion. RPM fluctuations can affect efficiency and safety, potentially causing excessive wear or dangerous vibrations. The consequences of neglecting these readings can be severe. A minor temperature spike, if ignored, could escalate into a complete engine failure. This is why constant vigilance is essential. Engine room personnel must be trained to recognize alarms and respond swiftly to any anomalies. Their ability to monitor trends over time is equally important. A gradual increase in temperature, even if still within limits, can indicate a developing problem. To enhance their monitoring capabilities, professionals are increasingly embracing digital systems. These modern tools provide real-time data and trend analysis, allowing for proactive responses to potential issues. Meticulous logbook entries are also crucial, as they provide a historical record that aids in troubleshooting and regulatory compliance. In addition to technology, crew welfare is paramount. Ergonomic solutions like specialized chairs help ensure that personnel can recover after long shifts, maintaining their focus and efficiency. The critical link between vigilant monitoring and overall ship safety cannot be overstated. It's not just about keeping the machinery running, it's about safeguarding the crew and the precious cargo on board. The dedication of engine room personnel ensures that every gauge and alarm is precisely where it should be, making them the unsung heroes of maritime operations.